In this video lecture, I will explain binomial theorem. So what is binomial theorem? If x and y are variables and n is a positive integer, then this is the binomial expansion. X plus y power n is equal to summation of r equals to 0 to n ncr x power r y power n minus r. This can also be written as r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power n minus r y power r. So we can take x power r y power n minus r, or we can also take x power n minus r y power r. Okay, so now let's take one example. So here you have to find the coefficient of x power 9 y cube in the expansion of 2x minus 3y power 12. So whenever we have two variable, then we have to apply binomial theorem. So here if I compare with x plus y power n, what is the value of x here? X is nothing but this first term, that is 2x, and what is the value of y? That will be the second term, and we have to take it with sign. So it will be minus 3y and this power n, so this n value will be 12. Okay, so what we have to do, we need to just expand this using binomial theorem. So we know the value of x, y and n, so we have to just substitute the value in this expansion. So now n value will be 12, r is equal to 0, it will be n cr 12cr x power n minus r, so 2x, because x is 2x, power 12 minus r, and y power r, that is minus 3y power r. And then what we will do, after this step, we will take x term and y term, we will separate it. R is equal to 0 to 12 cr, so 2x power 12 minus r can be written as 2 power 12 minus r and x power 12 minus r. Okay, instead of writing 2 power x, instead of writing 2x power 12 minus r, what we have done, we have written as 2 power 12 minus r and x power 12 minus r. Okay, that's what we have written. And then minus 3y power r, same thing we will do, minus 3 power r and y power r. Okay, now we have x and y term. Okay, we have x power 12 minus r, we have y power r. So when we have x power 12 minus r and y power r, and we have to find the coefficient of x power 9 y cube. So now what we will do, x power 12 minus r, x power 9. So with this I can find the value of r, and here y power r y cube. So I can easily say that okay, r is equal to 3. Once we get the value of r, we need to just substitute here. So now it will be 12cr. So 12cr means r value will be now 3. So 12c3, and then 2 power 12 minus r is equal to 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, so 2 power 9. So here after this I can write okay, 12c 3 and 2 power 12 minus 3 is 2 power 9 minus 3 power 3, and then x power 12 minus 3 means x power 9 y power 3, and we have to find the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3. That means what is the coefficient? It will be the term associated with this. So this is the term associated with this. So that means we have to find this value. So then it will be 12c3 means 12 factorial upon 3 factorial into 12 minus 3, 9 factorial, 2 to the power 9 and minus 3 power 3, and once we calculate this value, we'll get this. So that's how we find the coefficient of x power 9 y power cube in the given expansion of 2x minus 3y power 12. Okay, let's take few more example. So here in this example, we have to find the coefficient of x square y square in the expansion of x plus y power 4. So using binomial expansion, okay, binomial expansion, let me write it again. X plus y power n is r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power r y power n minus r, or we can also say x power n minus r y power r. Using this, I'll expand this x plus y power 4. So here x is x only, y is y only, n is equal to 4. So let me write in this. So it will be r is equal to 0 to 4 cr x power r y power n minus r. So here it is very simple because I have x square y square and here we have x bar r y bar n minus r. So x bar r y bar n minus r and here we have x square y square. So directly I can say the value of r is equal to 2 and then I have to find the coefficient of x square y square. So once I substitute the value of r here, okay, it will be 4c2 r is equal to 2 x bar 2 y bar 2 or x square y square. So the coefficient of x square y square is this. So 4c2 will be 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 minus 2, that is 2 factorial. So we'll get 6 as answer. Same way x bar 5 y square in the expansion of this. So here n value is 7. So in this expansion, if I substitute the value, it will be r is equal to 0 to n 7 c r x bar r y bar n minus r, and we have to find x bar 5 y square and here we have x bar r y bar n minus r. With this I can say directly r is equal to 5. Once we get the value of 5 here, we'll just substitute. It will be 7c5 x bar 5 y bar 2. The coefficient of this will be the term associated with this, that is 7c5. If I calculate, I'll get 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 7 minus 5, that is 2 factorial. We calculate and we'll get this answer. So that's how we can find the coefficient of coefficient of x square y square and any thing where we have two variable x and y. In the expansion of here also we should have two variable x and y only. So hope you have understood the concept of binomial theorem. Thank you for watching.